With the kind of lifestyle we lead, modern metabolic diseases are on the rise, and the demand for healthcare and innovative solutions are growing globally. With this in mind, we have two options to either choose lifelong medications or lifestyle modifications. Ayurveda offers a chance for good health in a holistic way. It's a 5,000-year-old medical wisdom or art of living originating from India that supports the physical, emotional, mental, social, and spiritual well-being of a person. This definition goes hand in hand with the definition of health according to WHO. One must understand that diseases are not formed in a day and are not always visible to us. With wrong dietary habits and wrong lifestyles, metabolic toxins accumulate in the body. Ayurveda has methods to eliminate these accumulated toxins by detoxification methods like Panchakarma therapies to detoxify, rejuvenate, and improve the quality of life. The aim of Ayurveda as per Charaka is Swastasya Swasthya Rakshanam Aturasya Vikara Prashamanam Cha, means protecting the health of a healthy individual and eradicating the disease from a diseased one. This is achieved by balancing the biorhythm of the body in relation to nature. It's a well-known fact that healing starts from our kitchen. People believe that good food brings good health. Actually, it is the right kind of food which brings good health. Ayurveda helps one to understand what the right food for individuals are through healthy eating habits to prevent diseases, and also it deals with seasonal regimens. Rainforest bring you the perfect healing center in the lap of nature of Athirapally, a unique experience by combining the 9th-generation Ayurveda tradition of Madukakudi family with world-class hospitality of Rainforest. Our premium Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy Center offers a truly healing ambience that revolves around the theme a holistic experience. Concept of Ayurveda and Yoga, if practiced together, it can make tremendous changes in spectrum of health. We are blending this concept with the beauty of Athirapally. Lush greens, rich wildlife, bubbly rivers, and therapeutic sounds can create a mental equilibrium which help the healing process. Thus, a healthy concept of living includes self-awareness, realization, responsibility for a healthy life, and healing is achieved. We welcome you to enjoy this healing at Rainforest with Madukakudi Ayurveda.